Hello friends, Namaste. I am Manjunath I G, Mindful Trainer and Life Management Coach. Would like to welcome you all in this today's video. Well friends, in this video I am going to give you 3 important tips to speak English fluently. Yes my dear friends, these are the very powerful tips. If you learn and if you apply them, definitely you are going to improve your English. Well friends, before I am going to teach you these important tips, I would like to tell you that if you are a newcomer, please subscribe my YouTube channel and please hit the bell notification on and don't forget to hit the like button. Well friends, and without a delay, let's get started. Well friends, the first and very important tip to improve your English is listening and watching English. Yes, my dear friends. Just remember how you could learn your mother tongue. Maybe your mother tongue may be Kannada or Marathi or Tamil or Telugu or any language, how you could learn it. As a baby, you used to listen to your mother tongue. So what kind of a language, used to speak people as a baby used to listen it. Yes, first you listen to that language and you watch how they are speaking. Then you could learn your mother tongue. Yes, my dear friends, we couldn't go any kind of Kannada spoken classes. Have you gone? Have you gone to any Kannada spoken classes? Have you gone to any, suppose if your mother tongue Telugu, have you gone to any Telugu spoken classes? If your mother tongue is a Marathi, have you gone to any Marathi spoken classes? No. How you could learn? You listened more and more and more and more that language by your family members. Therefore, you were able to speak that language fluently. Yes. So, first and very important tips, listening more and more and more English. And along with listening, we should do watching also. Because when we watch the people who are speaking that language, we learn body language. Because body language is very important. Without speaking words, we can speak language by our body language. Yes or no? Because words are secondary. Body language is first, my dear friends. Suppose if there is a small baby, if you tell it, hey, I love you, I love you. And what does baby do? It starts crying, right? You are telling I love you, but your body expression is showing the anger. That baby learns anger that, oh, they are scolding us. Even though you are telling I love you, the baby may think that we are showing the angry on it. Yes or no? And suppose if you tell that baby, same baby, I hate you, baby. I hate you, Puta. I hate you. I hate you. With a smile, if you tell, I hate you, that baby smiles. Yes, because that baby thinks that even though we are telling, I hate you, so it understands that, yes, they are loving me. That is the power of body language, my dear friends. So, therefore, I suggest you, if you watch English movies or if you watch any English program, so you can learn this kind of a body language, because body language is very important. Suppose you just think that you don't know English and you are in a country where all people speak English, they don't know Kannada, and if you are hungry, what you can do? You just go to the hotel or the particular place where food is served, and if you go there and you stand and if you show, please, please, and what they do, they give you the food, they serve you food. Yes or no? Absolutely. Because you are telling that when you show something like this, they think that, oh, this guy need food. In this way, they understand the language. Yes, if you are feeling thirsty, what you do? You just signal like this, please have some, please some, please some, please some. Even though if you don't know the name of the water, you can tell, please, please. If you show like this, they give you some water. Yes or no? So therefore, the body language is very important. So I suggest you people, you can learn body language by watching English movies or any English web series or anything, you just watch. So when you watch such a kind of a programs, along with the watching, you get listening also. Yes or no? So therefore, I suggest you people, the first tip is listen and watch English. Listening and watching English. Yes, this is very, very important, because our mind is like a juicer. You know very well the juicer. If you put some apple in it, and then apple juice will come out. If you put some orange in it, then orange juice will come out. In the same way, what kind of a language we listen more, we watch more, the same kind of a language will come out from your mouth. Therefore, I strongly suggest you people, if you want to speak English better, if you want to speak English fluently, the first thing is put inside more and more and more English. Therefore, listening and speaking English very, very important. And then second tip is reading English. Yes, my dear friends, reading is very, very important, because when you read more and more English, you are sending so much of a information, so much of a knowledge, so much of a words, so much of sentences in English to your brain. So what kind of a sentences, what kind of a phrases, what kind of a words, what kind of a sentences are going inside your brain, and then same kind of a sentences are come out from your mouth. Therefore, I suggest you people read any English books, like any personal development book, or any novel, or suppose if you are not interested in a novel, you just take a any newspaper and try to read it. So, but one suggestion I will give you, that is, that when you read it loudly, because loud reading is very, very important. When you read it loudly, your vocal area is going to be exercised, like that your tongue and your teeth, your lips are going to be practiced, right? So when you speak loudly, so your tongue is going to be exercised, your mouth is going to be exercised. So when you speak English, you can speak English very, very naturally, right? Learning to speak English fluently is like, that building the muscles. You can't build the muscles in a single day. Continuously, if you do the exercise, okay, if you lift the dumbbells, approximately 6 months later, you may get the hard, muscles in your hand, right? In the same way, when you read it loudly, your tongue is going to be exercised, and then you are speaking English very fluently. Yes. So therefore, I suggest you people read more and more English books. And then third and final tip is speak English. What, sir, you are telling that we can't speak English, and then you are telling speak English? Yes, my dear friends, the only way to learn to speak English fluently is to open your mouth and then speak. Yes, my dear friends, because you can't learn swimming by standing in front of the swimming pool and like to learn to swim. I would like to learn to swim. No, you have to jump into water, then only you can learn swimming. You cannot learn any skills by only knowing. When you do it, then only you can learn. Therefore, I suggest to people, whatever you learn, you just try to speak it. Speak small, small sentences. Like, that when you wake up in the morning, you just try to think in your mind and then speak it. Like, yes, I have woken up now, and now I'm going to brush my teeth, then I'll take my bath, then then I get ready to go to office. Like that, simple, simple sentences, whatever come into your mind, you try to speak them. When you speak simple and then small sentences in English, so you are going to get the practice. So many people, you just scroll the YouTube videos and then try to speak English. No, you can't. You simply scrolling and then watching so many videos, you can never learn English, my dear friends. If you watch them in a time pass manner, you cannot learn. See, some people may think that grammar is very, very important to speak English language. My dear friends, grammar is secondary, speaking is first. Yes, because we could not go any kind of a grammar classes when we were learning our mother tongue. Yes or no? In the same way, for English also, grammar is not necessary in the initial stage, right? So what you can do, you just listen to more English and try to speak them. You try to speak. No matter whether you speak correct or wrong, but try to speak them. Speak those small sentences. So when you practice speaking, then only you can learn to speak English fluently. Yes or no? Right now you are watching. What you can do, you stop watching now and then try to speak 5 English sentences, what they come into your mind. Maybe you can tell about yourself, maybe you can tell about what is going on surrounding you. You just try to speak them. Right now I'm making this video, and around me, you know that my son is just he is reading the book. My wife is writing something. My another son is getting ready to go somewhere. All right. See, I spoke 3 sentences here. In the same way, you can also speak 5 simple sentences. Pause this video and speak it. Have you spoken? Yes, my dear friends. Well, so in this way, you can, when you speak, you can get better and better and better. So these are the 3 important tips to improve your spoken English, my dear friends. Have you enjoyed this video? If you have enjoyed, please hit the like button and don't forget to share this video to your dear one. Yes. So with this, I'm going to end this video. I'd like to say thank you very much for watching this video. Let's meet you in the next video. Until then, bye, see you, and God bless you all.